Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to yet another video. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Hussein. If you're new to my channel, I have a C5 Corvette 2001 manual that's wrapped in the beautiful Celestial Unicorn by Inozatec. And today's video, shout out to SLK Lights and SLK Customs on Instagram. See, I'm gonna actually the link is going to be in the description for their website. Thank you for them. They sent me these, the rear quarter or rear fender, the rear fender lights. So I'm going to be swapping them with an LED light, which will look really nice and really modern. Thank you for them to sending me these. Let's do an unboxing really quick. Got the tripod here for you guys, and we're going to go ahead and go through the tail light. But first, let me open them and show you guys. I've just opened it, so that's how that's what they look like. Red, and they sent me red. See the laser? See, that's how it look. Right there. Way modern, way better looking than the stock one. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna go through this. Obviously I'm doing the driver's side now, so we're gonna have to go through the outer tail lights to get into here. So I have the Star 10mm, and we're gonna go ahead and open that. Hold on, let me put you guys on the tripod so I can have two hands with this. Alright, now that you guys are on the tripod, let me reverse it a bit or back it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the screw out there, and the tail lights should just come out like this. There we go, just like that. And let me put you guys really close, and we're gonna go ahead, click on this or press on this right here and twist. So you're gonna press on that and twist, and the tail light should come out in one piece. Alright, let's set that on the... So now, we're gonna go look inside. Alright, so that's what we're looking at. It's gonna be a little harder to reach the outer nut right there. But let me go ahead and real quick, and I'm holding the camera with the lights. I'm sorry if it's gonna shake a little bit, but I'm gonna just go ahead and unplug. So we're gonna go ahead and just right there, we're gonna go ahead and twist that right there. We're gonna go ahead and twist it. So I hope you guys can see. Let me reach in, turn it, twist it, took it out, and I'm gonna lay it. Actually, I'm gonna lay it right down below. I'm gonna lay it below on the bumper. I'm gonna actually put this back here so it doesn't scratch my wrap. And now we're left with these two nuts right there. Okay, now you guys can see clear. All we're gonna need is 11mm socket. I'm gonna go ahead, I don't know if I can film in there, but we're gonna go ahead and open these. See? These two nuts holding the lights on the outside. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. Should be pretty simple. Just try not to drop anything. Alright, so let me go ahead and do that. It's gonna be a little tough, so let's take our time. And just like that, got the second one out. And you know what? You guys, you've got to you got to do it and like take a rest, because this is quite heavy when it gets, because it's up out there and this gets heavy. So I like kinda had to take a break a couple of times. Now this should just comes out. Let's see, this thread is really annoying. There we go. I pushed it from the back and it came out right there. Simple enough for me to do, because if I can do it, you can do it. Now let me go ahead and clean this up real quick. I know it's wrapped, but there's some dust, and I will be right with you guys. So we're just gonna go ahead and actually just spray Maybe that's a little bit too much, but that's okay. And just wipe and clean. Okay, so we got a new one, and 1 second. Let me go ahead and actually show you guys. So let me go ahead and pass it through. This is the old one. This is, so the bulb just comes out like this. The bulb from the older one. Then this is obviously going to connect it into here. But first, you see these right here? If we can't let me go ahead and see. Thread it on. See, because that's how you're gonna, it's just easier to thread it before you put it in. So it's actually already pre-thread. You get what I mean? Because these are not threaded, and the older one, if the camera can focus, is threaded. See? Right there. See, it is threaded. So those are the threaded one. So let me go ahead and actually do this. It's like I am installing it right now, because it will be just easier. Bam, there we go. So when I install it, it's just going to be easier. See? Just like that. It's all the way on. So now I'm going to go ahead and take it out. It's like I'm uninstalling it. Alright, so now that's how it will look like. It's all threaded. And finally cut it just like that. See the difference? Not threaded, threaded. So let me go ahead and actually do the other side. You're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Just put it on, and this is not actually even a nut. It's a little bit weirder. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right with you guys. Bam, driver side. We already did the passenger side, which is nice. So let me just go ahead and rethread these, and I'll be right with you guys again. Because that one was, see, it doesn't, when you put it like here, it doesn't sit right. When you put this one, bam, sits right. So, glad that happened on the video so you guys know. So let me go ahead and rethread that again with those. So you're just gonna put it on straight and just tighten it like it's in here. Bam. Just like that. Let me take you with me, guys, to the other side. Look at the before I put the new one. So that's the before. It's just a bulb, right? Nothing special, just a bulb. Looks alright. But let's go ahead and put it on so I can show you the other side now. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and plug it in, and the DOT should be on the bottom, the DOT right here. So let's go ahead and plug it in. I can't wait, this is gonna look so cool. It's gonna look so sick. Just plugs in. Alright, you guys ready? Let's unlock it. And voila, holy cow, look how bright is this. Woo-hoo-hoo. That looks absolutely sick with the wing and everything. Oh my god, I love this. Way better. Look how bright, and it's like daylight. Look at that, daylight. Alright, let's go ahead and tighten it up, and we'll go do the other side. Okay, to tighten it back, it's the same process. Let me go ahead and actually bump this out before I forget. Take it out and actually put this in there so I don't forget, and twist it so it locks just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in, twist it. See? Before I forget, actually. You can do the other side, but nope. This side, there we go. Try and make sure the plastic is out. There we go. Now it's out, in, and it's gonna be a little harder part. Okay, you're gonna need 2 hands definitely, and you're gonna have to. I can't just not you're gonna have to feel for it. You're gonna have to have a feel actually. Don't drop the nut. Don't drop it. Alright, you guys. So for the passenger side, I kinda struggled a little bit because you see of this section right here. So what I did is I know you're gonna have to do that. So what I did is I did use a 11 millimeter. The 7/16 will work too, but the 11 millimeter wrench. Set the light really quick. You can put the light here, it's fine, and you can just go ahead and literally just go like that. Nope, not that side. But this side, and just open it up slowly, and take your time. It will work out. That's what it worked out for me. When I took it out, I took the this is the 11 millimeter wrench. I took the 11 millimeter socket, and like I showed you guys in this one, this is the driver's side, passenger side. Let's go ahead now. That's the best part. That's the satisfying part. Oh yeah. And it's red. It matches the original stock color. Yeah, that's the passenger side. By the way, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Link gonna be down in the description if you haven't. I post everything there. Shout out to Daily Driven Exotics. Love the guys. They do great content. Check them out too if you haven't. Yeah, this is awesome. Really, now it's tight in the place. See, it doesn't move left or right. No movement. Just passenger side, I used the wrench, 11 millimeter. Then I used the socket and just to thread the line up the threads on this section right here, this part. So do that, then you should be good to go. Take your time, don't stress, put a light in there. You're not in a hurry to do it. That's how it looks from the back. That's how it looks. I will zoom in for you guys. See? You want to tighten it all. Don't over tighten it because it's gonna break. Don't over tighten it, but tighten it when it's just flush. The nut is flush with the pins. Secure that part right there, the middle wire. Secure that, and you should be good to go. Guys, so when you put the lights back, put one, then tighten it up with your hand, like I'm doing right now. Then I already tightened this one up, and just don't over tighten the. And by the way, this is, if you don't already know, T10. Do not over tighten these. See, should be no movement. Like 1 second ago, see how it moved? Now there's no movement. Give it one more snug. Snug. And you done. That's all I got for today's video, you guys. Shout out to SLK Lights for sending me those. They're in Arizona. Order yours. slklights.com. That's the website. They have C5, C6. I want to talk to him about these actually, corner lights. We'll see what he says. So they have C5, C6 lights. Shipping within I got it within 2 days. I ordered it. Well, he sent them to me. Shout out to them, but they got it within 2 days. Really great quality, you know, and it's red. See, it's like from here, looks stock, which is awesome. Then you open it up, and you open the, oh, it's locked. I must have locked it. Let me get the key. See, it's just so cool at nighttime too, and it's so bright. Like the front, I have white LEDs. Everything is LED in the front, and the license plate lights. My license plate lights. Let me unlock it. License reverse light, white LED. License plate lights, white LED. I like these, the stock ones. But the side was always dim because it was that bright as this thing at nighttime. It's just so cool when you drive as well. So thank you SLK Lights for sending those. Check them out. Link gonna be down in the description. In my YouTube channel, just click on the arrow so the menu drops. Click on they have the tail lights too, by the way. They have LED tail lights. They have the third LED middle light. I might upgrade to that one. We'll see. Taking it slowly here on my build, step by step. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more videos coming. I got all these parts to install. I got these right here on the side. I got pulleys. I got a lot of stuff. So subscribe. drop me a thumbs up on this video. Helps the channel. Share my videos with another Corvette, C5 Corvette owners, or any Corvette pages. That will really help out my channel. Appreciate it. Send them to friends. Comment something on this video. That helps me out. Helps the engagement. And if you subscribe, will be great. We're almost to 1,000. That's my goal. I want to hit 1,000 this year. I'm uploading as much as I can, when I can. So other than that, by the way, I washed it yesterday. Looks pretty clean. More videos coming. Stay tuned for the next one. And other than that, I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.